Showing you guys how to make easy tacos. It came, you buy ground beef. It came in this little packet for trash. And then you get a skillet pan, a spatula, and you just put it in here, chop it up until it gets brown. We also bought this package called Old El Paso. It includes, and it's a taco dinner kit. It's really convenient for us. It's easy. My husband likes flour tortillas with his taco. I like hard crunchy tacos, so they have hard and soft in the kit. 6 taco shells, 6 flour tortillas, mild taco sauce and seasoning mix. So they have like the whole package right there. Here's the seasoning mix. Here's taco sauce. So like it's literally, we literally bought this for like $4, $3. It's super cheap. You can find it at your local grocery store. It comes with the tacos already and the soft tacos, flour tortillas here everywhere on the meat. And it just adds a little flavor to the meat so that your tacos won't taste so plain. Put it back on medium and you want to stir it. Okay, so this is the finished product. It's kind of like saucy and stuff, so what I usually do is put this right sauce on the meat. So I put the meat in a little bowl so I can store it. Next, I'm just going to open these. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is my taco. I put a cheese slice and the beef. A lot of people like lettuce and all that stuff. You can add lettuce and all that stuff, but I like my taco plain. So yeah, that's really the finished product. In here's also taco sauce, but I don't like that. My husband likes that. And then there's flour tortillas in here, which he likes that. So what I'm gonna do is store this, put some foil paper so it can stay for